In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a submenu in Wix. This is a great way to organize your website's navigation and make it even more user-friendly. Let's dive right in. First, head over to wix.com and open the website that you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, look to the left sidebar and click on Menus and Pages. This opens up a panel where you can see a list of all your current site pages. It's the central hub for managing your site's navigation. If you haven't already, you'll need to create a main menu item to serve as the category under which your submenu items will fall. To do this, simply click on plus add page at the top of the Menus and Pages panel. Go ahead and give your new page a name that suits your needs. For example, you might call it Services. This page will appear in your main menu as a top-level category. Next, it's time to add pages for each item you want to include in your submenu. Let's say you want to add pages titled Branding, Marketing, and Coaching. Each of these pages should be created and appear in your page list. You want them to be visible here before you can nest them under the main category, in this case, Services. Now let's create that hierarchy. With all your pages listed in the Menus and Pages area, click and drag each subpage, such as Branding, Marketing, and Coaching, a little to the right, so they are slightly indented under the Services page. This process creates a hierarchy, turning them into subpages, which will show up as a submenu when hovered over on your website's main menu. You'll notice a small indentation appearing next to the sub-items. That's your visual cue that they are now classified as subpages. For a better idea of your work, click on Preview, located at the top right of the editor. It lets you interact with the menu as if you were a visitor to your website. Hover over Services in the main menu bar and watch as a drop-down appears, showcasing all the subpages you've added. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your site's navigation. Finally, make the design your own by customizing how your submenu looks. Click on your menu within the header and then select Design. From there, dive into drop-down settings to adjust the background color, text color, hover effects, and even the animation style such as fade or slide. Keeping these elements in line with your brand style will give your site a cohesive and professional appearance. And there you have it, a neatly organized submenu in Wix that boosts your site's accessibility and visual appeal. Don't forget to save your changes before leaving the editor. Thank you for watching, and happy website building!